Hello and welcome. This video is to give you an overview of Leaders Odyssey School and College app, which is fast, easy, and always up to date. To begin, you need to go to the App Store or Play Store. Tap the search bar and type Leaders Odyssey School. You will see the school icon. Now install it in your smartphone, tab, and iPads. Once you get the app downloaded, all you need is your school ID and password. If you do not have it, school can provide you with it. Today, we'll be elaborating two of the many features, which are attendance and homework procedures. This is the home page. You will tap to the child's name and check the attendance and homework. We will go to attendance first. Here you can see the child's daily attendance and also the attendance summary. To check homework, you need to tap to homework bar and check daily homework. If you have more than one child enrolled in school and you want to check their accounts, you need to tap on this icon below and check the account and details for the other children. This was it for today. We will be updating you of more features and we hope that this video was helpful. For further assistance, you may consult the school management. Thank you.